All right, so real quick, I got this old bathtub here, 100-year-old house, 100-year-old tub. I don't think it was the original drain in there, but it started leaking. The putty had given way long ago. And when I went to remove the trap, this is what the drain, this is what the new drain looks like. See this cross web in here? You got a wrench here. This wrench goes inside the drain, like so. You can see the teeth come through. And then you could turn with those crossbars on there and it backs out right nice easy most of the time. The original one was not coming out. The web was gone. I tried to do it with the wrench when the web was there and it made it about 1/8 of a turn before the web had gave up the ghost. So I went ahead with my multi-tool, my Dremel tool here, and I cut a couple relief cuts in the side, one here, where my finger and thumb are. I cut one here and one opposite, and then I could only get in there on a diagonal. You can see the diagonal cut. So I cut it out, and this is, thank God, luckily it's made out of brass. It's nice and soft. A couple light whacks with a hammer, it bent right out of place. The threads inside look good. There's no, that's hard to tell. It might be a little bit gross. There's no reason to replace any of the other piping in there. It's just a leaky drain. So you pull it out, replace the putty. Just regular plumber's putty. It's only a couple bucks versus the if I go with the brass drain that was originally in the tub, it's about an $80 kit. Plus you still got to get the putty. And chances are the only thing that's leaking is the putty. Underneath the drain, buy yourself a drain trim kit. I had an 1 3/8 drain here, so I need an 1 3/8 kit. It's like 20 bucks. You get a drain, you get hair cover, and I got a new wow, my brain just completely quit on me. New lever here for the plug, so I can plug the drain if we choose to do so. So that's that. Save yourself some money. Pull out the thing if your tub's leaking a little bit of water, and no sense buying the whole trap kit. If you're not sure about doing any of this, give your favorite plumber a call. And when they give you the $300, $400, $500 price tag for doing this, maybe go buy a Dremel tool. No, I'm not a representative for them, but it's a neat thing to have on hand. All right, good luck.